Hi you guys. Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samantha. I hope you guys know me. I do fitness, fashion, and beauty for women over 50, and today I'm doing a May favorites. I did one a couple of months ago. I hope you guys liked it. I'm just chilling in my bedroom. I did a makeup look, which I will upload to YouTube probably. I don't know if it'll go before this or after, but I'll link it somewhere. I want to show you my new favorites from May. So let me get right into it because I tend to talk a lot. Okay, the first thing is the Dermapore by Dermaflash. This is the best thing since sliced bread. Okay, well maybe that's an exaggeration, but I love this. It actually goes in and cleans your pores. So that means it goes in and pulls out of all the gunk out of your skin. It is sonic. You know your sonic toothbrush? Same thing. You can also use it for putting your serums on, but personally I just love it for going in and getting out the blackheads, and any of the clogged pores. It is crazy. You feel like you've had a total facial at the end of the day. I absolutely love this. I did a whole IGTV video on how it is used, so I don't want to waste you guys' time going through the whole thing, but please go check out the IGTV video. I will link it below so you guys can watch it, okay? Because one of my most favorite tools. Okay, another thing, and I can't believe I'm mentioning this, I just started using an eyelash curler again. So I didn't use the eyelash curler for, I don't know, 10, 15 years. I just thought I don't want to mess with any extra step. I actually love this. It makes such a difference in curling your lashes, even 5 seconds on each lash. Who knew? My daughter does it and her lashes are like, whoo. So I've been bringing this back in. This is a May favorite, and hopefully I will continue using this and forever to get the curls in the lashes. Okay, let's see here. Okay, another thing that is a favorite, and I can't believe this because I've had these for years and I'm just bringing them to you guys now. This is my beauty blender. As you can see, it's got powder on it and foundation. I did my makeup with it today. This is a moist, wet beauty blender, so it expands, and it just makes your foundation go on flawless. Brushes are great too, but sometimes when I just don't want like a heavy coverage, but I want a flawless finish, a wet beauty blender for my foundation, and then I just flip it over and I actually use my dry product when I set my under eyes, and it's a dream. Like, I don't even know what I was thinking living without it. Like, what? Like, seriously, what was I thinking? So, May favorite. May, June, July, May, my whole life. Okay. Let's talk skincare. So this is so great because this is the Sephora Collection Clean Skin Gel Cleanse and Tone. It is only $10. You need like the tiniest drop. You need like the half of the size of a dime. Like you need like the top tip of your pinky finger, and you will wash your whole face with it. This will probably last a year. Like, no lie. I love this stuff. I love this, only $10. I just can't believe Sephora Collection just had to throw that in. It says clean skin gel, cleanse and tone, face, eyes, and neck. And it's gotta be a favorite. Just loving it. Okay, let's talk nails. Okay, so I'm so silly because I'm not actually even wearing the product that I'm gonna tell you is my favorite, but this is the Olive and June home manicure set. It is absolutely perfect for quarantine. No one's going to the nail salon. It comes with everything that you need. First of all, oops, I had it upside down. Oh wait, did I? Oh no. Samantha. Oh, she opens like this. Wait, how does she open? Oh, she's magnetic. Okay. So she opens like this, and you get this whole box of goodies, and you can also put your cell phone in here. Like, I love it. It's so cool. So, basically you get like a little brush to like clean up the edges of your nails when you mess up. You get a top coat, you get a buffer, you get nail polish remover, you get cuticle oil, you get a nail file, and then this has got to be the best thing. This is called a poppy, and you put it on the top of your nail polish. Oh, let me move this down here. you put it on top of the nail polish handle and on your non-dominant hand. So like I'm right-handed. So whenever I do my right hand, I have to, you know, use the polish with the left and I'm all like, ooh. So this actually just makes it a bigger and so you have more grip and it's easier to paint your nails. So how amazing is that? This actually comes, the one I got all these colors. This was actually sent to me from Olive and June. So I just have to say, I love it. I mean, it was perfect for me and my daughter to do manicures at home. I love that it comes in a box. You can keep everything in the box. So I just absolutely freaking love that. Oh, it comes with a nail clipper too. I forgot to show you, it comes with a nail clipper. What I love even more about Olive and June is you can go to their Instagram page, or I think they might even have a YouTube channel. Okay, just Google Olive and June, and if you can get their videos, they actually show you how to properly do a manicure. And I've been doing my nails for literally 30 years and I wasn't even doing them right. So they teach you how to prep them, paint them, what you need to do so you won't chip, so your manicure, home manicure will last for a long time. I love the founder. She's so cool. Just watch her videos, Olive and June, and I hope you guys can pick up a kit. They have so many different colors. Like they have like the pastel colors. They have like everything. So anyway, love, love, love. So love that. Okay, now let's talk hair. Okay, I hate to do this to you guys, but this is the Dyson Corrale. I think, did I put this in a favorite? I might have already put this in. This is gonna go in my favorites every single month. This is their hair straightener. I use it to straighten and I use it to curl. So I used it to curl my hair today. My hair, if it's not curled, it's just dry, fried, and messed up because of menopause and bleach. And just menopause really, really did a number on my hair, you guys. Not only did it thin it out, but it's just so damaged all the time. So I have to be really careful about the products that I put in my hair. So I've got some really beautiful products that I do use in my hair. Kerastase is one of them. But this is the styling tool of the dream. It is cordless, so you can get back there, all around there. It is a super expensive, luxurious item. That's all I'm gonna say. If you want to try a straightening iron to get these waves, you could probably use another straightening iron if you already had one. But if you want to get deluxe, I never burn myself. I mean, like I just use this. I never burn myself. It is just so beautiful. It comes with this recharging station. It's just, I can't. I know it's so outrageously expensive. How can you ever justify purchasing that? But if you have the money, if you have the extra coins, and if you're that kind of girl who wants a luxury item and you have that extra amount of cash is hanging out and you love Dyson products, pick up the Corrale. You're gonna love it. It's just so, I use it every day, twice a day. Okay, so I'll do my hair like this, right? And then like after a few hours, it flattens a little bit because my hair doesn't hold the curl for nobody. Then I just go in before I leave, and I get compliments all the time on my hair. It's been forever since I got compliments on my hair, so that. Okay, a couple more things. So also my hair is as flat as can be. This is Better Not Younger Lift Me Up Hair Thickener, you guys. I use this all the time when my hair is wet. Now this brand, I have a 15% coupon code and I'll link everything below so you can pick it up. They have these at Sephora and at Better Not Younger, but I'll go ahead and link everything below. I use their shampoo, their conditioner, and their mask on my hair today before I even like blew it out. But when I do blow it out, I need this, or else, first of all, nothing will, without some texture in your hair, that Corrale straightener, it's not even gonna work because it's just gonna, there's nothing. So I make sure I have something in my hair to grip, give it some body, give it some hold. I know this doesn't look like a lot of body, but my hair is like Marsha Brady, so this actually really does help. And along with the Better Not Younger products, okay, these are hair powders. You know, we all know about hair powders. Thickening powders for your hair. This is by PLAYA. This is the Soft Volume powder. It's so good. This is by cocokind. This is a calming powder. You can use it on your body and your hair. And I'm literally obsessed with this because my hair is so straight, won't hold a curl. So I put this all in my hair just to hold any style that I have in it. And I cannot live without it. I mean, do you remember back in the day when we used to put baby powder in our hair? So I put it in when my hair is clean. So not when my hair is oily. It also helps, like, my roots are really dark, so it helps like the transition of going from the dark to the light. I love that too if you're like have 2 inches of dark roots and you're bleach your hair. But it's just like a must-have for holding all the hairstyles in. Okay, so I think I am almost done. I have, oh, This brand, you guys, okay, this is, I don't even know what this brand is called. Sunny & Co. Sunny Smile Creamsicle Lip Pop. It's got 25 milligrams of broad spectrum cannabis. So it's actually, these are the CBD. I don't even notice. I just put this on every night before I go to bed. What I love about it, it's thick and waxy. So yeah, I really don't like a oily or greasy like lip balm. I like something really thick and waxy that kind of sits on my lips and doesn't like get all over the place. Just my personal preference. But this Sunny & Co. CBD 25. If you guys want to talk CBD and CBD products, now remember that CBD are they are a part of the cannabis plant range, but they don't have any drug in it that makes you high. So just let's just clear that up because people like freak out about it all the time. So I just put a little bit of this on my lips at night and I am obsessed with it. And then before I go, if you guys watch my videos, ooh, I gotta, you know when you gotta shake out? Ow, my ankle. You know that I love Shades by Shan. This is a Shades by Shan palette. I have another palette I use all the time. If you're looking for like an everyday palette, this is very close to my heart because Shades by Shan did this collab with Yaya, and they are San Francisco Bay Area makeup artists. So that's so close to my heart. I'm gonna represent someone from San Francisco. You know that I am. Also, Shan is so nice. I can't even stand it. And then third of all, this particular palette that they did, the Makeup by Yaya and Shades by Shan palette, is a collab that they did, and 25% of the profits go to single parents. How cool is that? She doesn't have to do that at all. This is a palette. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely gorgeous. And these are such great transition colors with this bone. Look at that bright orange. I used the black, which is called Foxy, to stamp eyeliner on my eye. I did that today. Just absolutely love a brand that gives back. So this particular palette and the whole collection, 25% goes to single parents, but all the rest of their products, 10% always goes to single parents. How freaking cool is that? That's it, you guys. That's everything that I am loving in May. Now, I'm probably loving a lot of other things, but I just can't remember but no, these are the ones because I searched the whole house. I went through everything. I will say this, love, pitter patter in my heart. This, hate to do it to you guys. Dyson sent this to me. What can I say? If Dyson didn't send this to me, I wouldn't have this. If Dyson didn't send this to me, I would not own this thing because I can't spend that kind of coin on a hair straightener, curler, but man, do I love it. Man, do I love this. And I will see you guys so soon. It has been so long since I did a YouTube video. You guys, please don't forget to follow me on TikTok where I'm cracking up every day. And remember, you guys, you can have anything you want. It's not like she can have it or he can have it and you can't have it. Everybody can have it. Don't devalue yourself. If you guys want something crazy and big and your dreams are huge, so what? Go for it. Don't ever feel like you don't have what it takes. Don't ever feel like they have more than you have because it is not true. Your dreams are your dreams to go and get. So go and get them. All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, it's all the TikTok dances. What do they do? They always do that one. I don't know what that is. Do you guys? All right. Oh, I gotta touch up the Dyson Corrale. I gotta do my Dyson Corrale.